In this video, we will learn how to use Google Sheet offline. So let's start. Open your Google Sheet, then click on the File tab, and here have an option to make available offline. Just click on it, and here the extension needed dialog box is open. To make this document available offline, install the doc offline's Chrome extension to your browser. So to make these documents offline, you have to install one extension from your Chrome extension. Okay, just click on the install option to install that extension, and here you can install your extension. So Google Docs offline, so add to Chrome to install this extension, add the extension, and here the extension is added in your Google Chrome. Okay, so now just go to the again Google Sheet, reload these documents, and click on the File tab. Okay, then click on the Make Available Offline. Now turn on the offline for all files, turn on the offline to access the files without the internet connection. So here just click on the turn on. Okay, that's it. Reload to allow the offline editing. That's it, it's done. Your Google Sheet is offline now. So this is a way you can make the offline the Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.